The levels of pollen will be up to high probably by tomorrow evening in much of central and eastern England. And the wind will not be there to shift the pollen either. Though we had strong wind today, it should die down overnight and there'll be virtually nothing during Thursday. A circulation very likely around this anticyclone. Of course, that means sea breezes will be allowed in, and that certainly relieves the pollen. Well, this is a recent satellite picture. No cloud to speak of, really, except still over western Scotland. But this next lump is going to make it rather poor, I think, in Northern Ireland and western Scotland tomorrow. But first of all, it's going to be a chilly night for much of northern Britain. 4s and 5s, don't see that often. And not nearly as mild as last night further south either. Thursday should start fine in most places, though I think still dull and misty in the southwest of England and the Channel Isles with the odd drop of drizzle. And of course this cloud coming in, as you saw from the satellite picture, later on in the day for Northern Ireland and for western Scotland. But sun for most, apart from the odd patch of sea fog that might drift on and off the beach in the southwest. And in the sun, with little wind, it'll feel pretty warm. It'll also be pretty humid with just the sea breezes to relieve the heat. And I think 19 or 17 in eastern Scotland and northern England will feel quite pleasant as well. But the sun is still strong, so if you're sunbathing, it's still 30 or 40 minutes is a sensible time. That's the pressure pattern for tomorrow. There's the high pressure, and this is the cloud that's been pushing its way in this system here. It moves further north on Friday, so we're still in the warm air, or even hot air if you like. Then on Saturday we start to draw fresher air in back round another nose of high pressure. Same thing happens on Sunday. So Friday will probably start fairly misty in many places. I think it's probably quite a muggy night as well, with rain in Scotland tending to disappear. But the clue was there, if you just caught it, to what happens when the temperatures really rise inland in England during Friday. Thunderstorms are likely, I think, more especially on the western side of Wales and western England, but we wouldn't exclude them being further east, and we certainly wouldn't exclude them from Wimbledon. But generally, though, a warm and reasonable day. On Saturday, too, a fairly misty start. Rather cloudy start as well, particularly across northern England, but probably dry, and the sun will come out quite readily. But we've still got the corner of warm air in the southeast, very warm air. There'll be further thunderstorms there.